Now, got a whole nother list of cars to go over today. I'm going to be showing all the new rides that just came in through the last week. All right, guys, another lot walk coming up. Here we go.
About 15.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're gonna be walking around the lot pointing out all the new rides that we got in. Go to maplemotors.com. We have financing and shipping available on all of these cars. Every Monday we're putting on about 10 new cars, and we try to stay consistent with that. Look at the detailed pictures, financing and shipping, all at maplemotors.com. And of course, if you're new, hit subscribe. We're gonna get started here up in the front corner. Okay, we got a 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass sitting up here. And we got this one priced $19,900, and she's glowing for sure. Right next to the Cutlass is a 72 Buick Skylark. You can see this is a new one that just came in. I've already got the test drive video done. It runs, it drives good. You'll also be seeing it pop up here on YouTube. So there is test drive videos to all the cars on the lot. This one's priced $19,900. Another new one. I haven't done this one yet. I'm going to do it today. It's got a 72 Buick Skylark, but the convertible version. Of course, the top goes down, price goes up. This one's $24,900. Aftermarket set of wheels. Right next to that, a 1970 Pontiac GTO, priced at $30,900. How about another new one? 72 GTO in white, priced at $29,900. And then, of course, a 1966 Chevrolet Impala sitting right next to that. This one's got the big block 4-speed, priced at $32,900. And guys, in these test drive videos, I like to point out the flaws. I do that so you know what you're getting. I mean, you can see good stuff on these cars, but of course, if you're out of state, you're going to want to know all the bad stuff before you drive here. It helps out quite a bit, saves a lot of time. I think we got a good looking front row this week. Good mix of colors there. Okay, coming down the right side of the car lot. This one's a 1974 Duster. We got it priced $21,900. So look below in the description. You can see details about us. You can find our website, our email address. You can always contact us through email. Right next to the Duster's a 70 Chevelle. This one's a 4-door, but it's got the LS swap. So she's a fuel injected car now, priced at $19,900. Next to that, 1965 Plymouth Valiant. And we've got it priced $13,900. 1966 Pontiac Tempest sitting right here next to that one at $27,900. This car looks awesome. I actually enjoyed the test drive quite a bit. I think you should go check it out. You can see multiple test drives of cars currently available. It's an actual playlist on the page here. You can search through some of those. Some are interesting. We got muscle car sounds, a whole playlist of that. So I need to update that, add some cool stuff to it. How about a 1956 Chevy 210 here, Chevy Bel Air, 409 4-speed. This one's not a 210, it's a Bel Air. 24.9, called the Bad Apple. What about a Plymouth Scamp, 1974, priced at $12,900. In Patina, 65 C10 step side. I'm surprised we still got this thing. The test drive went really well on it too. A lot of good parts inside and out of this one. And they went for that Patina style where they put a thick layer of clear coat after they sanded everything down and let it rust up a little bit to preserve the look. It's actually got a shine. We'll be getting to this one here in just a moment. I added this one last week. Finally got the test drive video done on Friday and put it out to y'all. I was behind last week and I'm sorry about that, but I'm here now and I'm gonna get caught up. That way next week when Monday hits, we'll have 5 or 6 videos ready to release. Right here, 1966 Chevy C10 pickup in Patina. This was more of a flat style Patina. And it's not clear coated. They're priced at $10,900. I don't think we'll have this one very long. Aftermarket set of wheels. I guess they moved the gas into the back here. I got to test drive this one today. This is another new one to the website. Of course, anything I don't go over in the video is probably sold, so don't ask about things in the background. If I give you a price on it, it's available. This truck here runs and drives great. It's a 1977 4x4 pickup truck here, and we only have it priced at $13,900. Needs a paint job. Interior they started on, they got a lot of it redone. It seems like everything works. The only thing I didn't do was lock the hubs, but when I put it in 4-wheel drive, it seemed to engage. Got the Suburban here. Aftermarket set of wheels. This was one of the personals from the car lot. At $18,900, it's an '89 GMC Suburban. This one's lifted up. It's got nice interior, and like I said, we used it to travel around. We had our logo on the back and everything. We almost cap it, but we do have multiple vans and stuff. We just have an issue getting rid of some of these rides, because I mean, who would want to sell these? You get it. Everybody's got their own personals in the garage now, and they just keep stacking up. 1957 210, and of course this one's priced at $34,900. Got the two-tone interior. Let's see, is it unlocked? It is. Got a 4-speed transmission. Okay. And of course we're getting ready to go into Pops' Hot Wheels room, check it out. So we walked about half the lot here. I'll be right back, guys. So check this out. If you're new to the channel, you can jump over to Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel and hit subscribe as well. This is a toy room. It's right next to Maple Motors. I mean, just a huge collection. Everything is priced as marked. We have 100 and over case. We have $20 cars. We have $5 cars. We have $3 cars and dollar cars. So there's a little bit for everyone, especially if you bring your kids in here. I know they're not going to want to leave without some of these Hot Wheels. But you can check out everything in detail. Again, Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel. Go over there, hit subscribe. He does sell stuff all the time on eBay. And I hope you do check it out. Let's get back out there to the car lot, see what else we got. Okay, stepping out of the Hot Wheels room. What about a 68 Mustang convertible? This one here's priced $23,900. Right next to that, a 91 Firebird, priced at $10,900. And then, last but not least, here in the corner, we got a 78. Yeah, this one's new to the website. It just came in. 78 Chevy Camaro, priced at $12,900. Okay. Then, of course, right here in front of the showroom, a 1964 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $24,900. It's soaking wet right now. It did rain quite a bit this morning, early this morning. It was quite nice, actually. It's hard to say, but I really love the style of this car. It may be one of my favorite ones from the update this week. 56 Lincoln. We don't ever get that in. We're going to be going over it probably first thing this morning. What about a 1972 Chevy Nova? This one's priced $31,900 with the big block. Next to that, this one's fast. 1972 Nova, priced at $25,900. That video was fun. Go check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. Then the 67 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $29,900. Also another quick one sitting on the lot. 1970 Camaro. This was last week's update. It is on hold at the moment, but it was a 5-speed car, priced at $27,900. New to the website today, 1970 Mustang convertible, priced at $24,900. '65 Mustang Fastback 3-speed, $32,900. Picking up those Mustangs. Got 3 of them in a row here. 65 convertible, $36,900. Guys, you can also join us on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. You may be watching this on Facebook right now. I figured out, you know, might as well just post the walk in a few different places. But it'll always come out first here on YouTube. Sitting here in the middle of the lot, 1998 Pontiac Trans Am, priced at $12,900. That's our gate blocker. I think it's pretty official. What about a 1955 Chevy Bel Air? Sitting right here in front of the office. Priced at $35,000. That test drive's coming out today too. I'm gonna try to knock out 4 this afternoon. We'll see what I can do. Skip lunch. Get some more videos done. It's not so bad. I've skipped lunch quite a bit here lately. I feel like it's good for me. Again, guys, maplemotors.com, financing, shipping, detailed pictures. We're constantly updating the website every Monday. That is the only day The only thing I do throughout the week is mark things sold. Same with the playlist here. Cars currently available. Go look at it. You can see the test drive videos of each car. These walk-arounds are meant for you to see all the new rides that we do put on Mondays. And unless it's a holiday, that's the only time you'll see these videos renew. Again, hit subscribe, share this video. There's an About Us section on our website where you can learn a little bit about Maple Motors. We've been around for about 40 years. We're all family. We only hire family. And this is what I do every single day, going over the cars, reviewing them. If you do have one that you want to sell, you can also email detailed pictures of your ride. But the biggest thing is we want you to price it. Tell us what you want out of it. Send plenty of pictures. Tell us all the information you know, and we'll pass that on to the next person. Some of these cars every once in a while will come with receipts, and that's pretty much how you're going to get your history. Receipts, pictures. Sometimes people make photo albums, which is awesome, but any of that will be given to you when you purchase the car. You can also buy shirts and stuff. I know a lot of people are asking for shirts here lately. Just look on merchandise on our website. The thing is about the merchandise on the website is there's a lot more of a selection. If you come up here to buy a shirt, we have them for sale, but there's only like one style. So if you get online, you got like 4 or 5 different styles Maple Motor shirts. We all have the different ones, but we can't keep all those in stock here. I know there was a lot of people coming in, well, I want this one, I want that one. Well, I don't have that. There's banners, cups, all that good stuff. That website helps out pretty good. Also, beware in the comment section. Some people will falsely act like us. All they do is take my picture, just read their title. If it doesn't say Maple Motors, Muscle Cars, Nick Southgate, that's not me. So they'll say you won or something. We don't do that kind of stuff here. They're just trying to trick you guys. I'm just giving you a heads up. I see y'all in the comment section. Hey, I seen them, I reported them. Thank you very much. That's how you get rid of the spammers and those guys trying to scam people. We'll do our best to weed out them, block them from the channel, and keep these videos clean for you. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.